Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about one of our initiative that is called hydration break. Who doesn't want team and students and the whole school vibrant? Everybody needs that. But sometimes despite of all the efforts, all the energy, all the inputs, it seems like that the things are going slow. They are not energetic, they are not focused. So yes, there could be some hidden reasons that sometimes go unnoticed. And one of the things that we do not notice is that how many times my teachers are taking water, how many times my students are taking water, and at the same time, sometimes we ignore that how they are taking water. So everything plays crucial role in a school's energy. So today in this video, I'll be discussing what hydration break is, how you can implement it, what are the benefits, and how you can utilize this data to enhance your school energy and obviously your school growth. So let us start with what is the hydration break. Hydration break is a small break that is a small pause in the school day today where everyone is stopping to take right quantity of water, and that's very crucial. Because why hydration breaks gone so important, though the schools are having fruit break, they do have lunch breaks, and even the water bottles of students are just lying next to them. So why it's so important, why it has become a concern? Yes, it's a concern because though everything is there, but at the right time, at the right span of time, we are not habitual to make our body hydrated. We take water when we feel like thirsty, right? We are overexerted, but already by that symptom, by that sign, body has gone dehydration and its impact has already gone into your body and is visible. So yes, impact of dehydration is very much visible when we go to schools. We click the data for attendance, and we see that the sick days off and the early days are just because of the child was not into the good mood, doesn't want to sit, feeling tired, not into good health, stomach ache was there. And yes, many of the teachers, many of the staff members, many colleagues, they say this person is burping, this person doesn't smell good, and all these things can lead to certain circumstances where a person feels neglected, down, just because of one or the other reasons. I don't say that it is only the hydration, but yes, it makes good impact, because in several of our schools where we introduced hydration break, and we followed up the data and we compared the data we collected when we started and when the data was getting processed, and once we are able to take the concrete data, once we considered that yes, the implementation is going 100%, and yes, the miracles were there. The campus, we have seen that the campus is echoing with less sick days off, healthier kids, healthier staff, and there are several other things that get boosted up parallel. So how often the hydration break should be? It depends that what kind of activities you have planned for your school. For example, if you have first 2 hours are very packed, where lots and lots of physical activity is, yes, the frequency of hydration break should be more. And yes, once you can see that if the where the less physical activity is there, the students are into a lecture or what, so then also the frequency should be moderate. Yes, it should be there, but we can't force them to sit without water, because keep one thing in mind: hydrated teachers, hydrated students, more engagement, more energy in the class. And if you really want that everything should echo, everything must vibrate at a very healthy frequency, it's a must. And yes, how you can start with the hydration break, it's very simple. It doesn't need very high efforts or very high-fi infra. You just need to plan a timetable, and your bells should be designed according to that. And yes, how this hydration break is going to help in a lifestyle. It will become a habit that it's my responsibility, either it's a student, it's a staff member, or anyone, right? It's my responsibility to keep my body hydrated, right? And when they get into this system, then simultaneously they'll be doing, even being a professional. I have done this mistake that for several hours I was not taking even a sip of water, right? And I was just busy with my work and all those things, and that had impact, that got impact on my body even. So, and being an educationist now, I consider no one should go dehydrated while they are into the campus. And even the parents, they must be very careful that hydration is very essential. If they have the tea breaks, there must be the water breaks as well. And there are several recipes where we can make this simple water as a good drink as well. So benefits are more. You can see the improved digestion, and when the digestion is improved, you can see that the gut is clean, immunity system will boost up, and yes, it will have effect on a child's learning abilities, and the outcome, it will be there. So if any of the school, they want the hydration break implemented at the school, they can join us, they can talk to us, they can send their email, and we will support them to get the data analyzed for the further things. It is not only the hydration, but this sick day